Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Good morning. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Good morning. All of you take out your English creative writing copies. And everybody open your cameras. All of you open your cameras also and take out your English creative writing copies.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning.
Ma'am, I know an algorithm. Can I tell about Rubik's Cube?
What you know?
Ma'am, one thing about Rubik's Cube.
Yes, tell. Tell.
Ma'am, if I have a scrambled cube here, so I can take an algorithm of solving Rubik's Cube. It has some alphabets and numbers. If I apply that on it, it can come back to its solved state.
Very nice. Arna, you are so smart.
Ma'am, I'm trying to do that.
Yes, do it.
Good morning.
Good morning, children. Good morning to all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Everybody take out your English creative writing copies.
Ma'am, today you listened that box story.
Yes, that box story. Who is in the box? Okay, have you all written the story?
Yes, ma'am. I was absent on that
Okay,
day.
wait. I am again going to share screen with all of you so that those who have not written can write it right now, while others would be telling their stories, reading their stories. Just wait for a minute.
Ma'am, I am joining from my laptop.
Okay, beta. All right, now here it is. Can you all see the screen?
No, ma'am, it's loading. Ma'am, it's loading. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The beginning of the story. See, the beginning of the story has been given. Now, how the
Ma'am, but
story is.
you have written some unique.
Please, I have zoomed it beta. The beginning of the story is I was walking down the street when I saw a small wooden box by the road. Suddenly, I heard a voice say, "Help, let me out of here." To my surprise, the voice was coming from the box. Now, you have to continue writing and you have to complete the story and tell what happened after it. You can't change the beginning. The beginning is fixed. It has been given to you. You have to continue from here only.
So, ma'am, I have to write the beginning also.
Yes, you have to write the beginning also. Then you will complete the whole story.
Ma'am, but I have written one new, like.
But beta, you can't change the beginning.
Ma'am, but what
See,
can
in
we write
exam
after
also,
it?
in
Ma'am,
exam
like-
also, if you get such kind of a thing, so you can't change anything that has been provided to you. Right? In maths, if you get a sum, if you get a word problem, do you change numbers according to your own convenience? No, you don't do that. Right?
In the back, the sound is coming, so I cannot hear.
Which sound is
Ma'am,
coming?
can you repeat my back story that I have written?
Ma'am, I don't know, but the sound is coming. from your bag or
Ma'am, can you listen that story that I have written like my own?
What? Now say.
Ma'am, can you listen that story that I have written on my own?
Okay, Raina, I will listen to it better. Please do have a little patience. Let me at least complete what I am telling to students, telling the students. Now, all of you have done, all of you.
Yes, ma'am, I have done.
I am just starting.
Yes, those who did not do it last week, just start doing it right now. And how many of you have completed the story? Let me know, except for Raina. How many have done? Okay, that means no one has done except for Raina. Raina, start reading your story, beta.
Okay, ma'am. The magic.
Ma'am, I have done the last one.
Raina, start reading.
Ma'am, can I wear my earphones?
What your earphones?
Okay, let's start. The magic box. This story is about a farmer and his magic box. In a faraway village lived a farmer named Rohan. Rohan was a Rohan was a good and wise man. He owned a few acres of land. Though he was a good farmer, his land never produced any crops while other farmers' land were full of crops. Rohan used to dig and dig, but his farm was always barren. Why do you dig every day? This land is not giving you a single crop. Since years, now you should sell this land and buy a good land. Oh, my brother, this land belongs to my ancestors. They used them farm on this soil. I must be doing something wrong. I will keep trying. I wish you all the best, brother. Rohan did not want to give his land. He spent days without food. He ate fruits to survive. Every day he went and I will dig until I found out my crops. Rohan dig and dig. One day when Rohan was very hungry, he dig and throw his eggs. One box is come out, Rohan. One box is come out. Rohan shocked and say, "What is this box?" He put her eggs and keep in the box. Then he go and sit in the tree shadow. When he came back, the back he saw that eggs become many eggs in that box. Now he have one idea. When he keep one apple in it, it's become many. So that box is precious gift for Rohan.
Okay, Raina. Nice. You have written it very well, beta. Very nicely written.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Anika, what do you want to say?
Can I read, Soria?
Anika, what do you
Ma'am,
want
I
to
wanted
say?
to say that can I read?
Okay, Anika, read.
What can we write in the last?
What
Ma'am,
can
what?
Okay.
Ma'am, what
are we
can
going
we
to
write
change
last?
the title of?
Wait,
Ma'am, what
let
can
me
we
mute
write
all of
after
you.
that?
First of
The
all,
word.
I'll stop this share. Wait. Let me mute all of you. I will only entertain raised hands. Now, Yashmit, what do you want to ask? What is your question?
Ma'am, I want to ask that ma'am, in this story we can write in the last there was a genie came out from that box.
Beta, it depends on you how you want to end your story. What came out of the box, what it did to you, you got scared, or it was a gift for you. It depends on what you are saying, what came out from the box. Okay, the ending can be different because you all will think differently, isn't it? Anika, yes, I was telling Anika to read. Yatharth, you want to ask any question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta, ask.
Ma'am, please share the screen. I have to take a screenshot.
Okay. Anika, start reading.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, take the screenshot.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, can I just read? Can I read this? Can you share screen?
Again, you want me to share screen?
Ma'am, can
Yes,
I
ma'am,
share
please.
Okay, now Anika, start reading, beta.
Okay, ma'am. I was walking down the street when I saw a small wooden box by the road. Suddenly, I heard a voice say, "Hey, let me out of here." To my surprise, that voice was coming out of the box. When I went near to the
Anika?
box,
Beta, you have not written the story now. You are just creating it right now. Tell me, have you written it or not? Beta, if you have not written, please write it down and let me give chance to those who have already written it. Fine? Shaurya, read, beta.
Okay, ma'am. The bots. I was walking down the street when I saw wooden bots on the road. Suddenly, I heard a voice say, "Help! Let me out of here!" To my surprise, the voice was coming from the bots. Then I was very much scared. I just opened the bots slowly. Then I saw no one was there. So how the voice come? Then suddenly a bike goes near me very fast. Then my one of my apple that I was eating and going to my house was fall on the box. Then I saw that apple become many of the apples. Then I put my 1 rupee coin. Then those coins become many of them. Then I think I need one of my siblings. So I put myself in the box and then it didn't work. I think that it is wasted. So then I do. Then after
Shaurya, wait, beta. What did
Yes,
you do? You put yourself in the box and then what happened?
then ma'am, it didn't work.
Okay, it didn't work. All right.
Then
Then
a few days I come there only and I didn't see. And the box was removed from its place and goes to the gate of my house. Then ma'am, what happened? Then I saw someone of my type, my statue, but it was walking. I think someone has made a robot of mine. So ma'am, I go and check him, but when I saw him, I just got scared from him because ma'am, he was only me, and that day I think that this box didn't work. So ma'am, I just want to give the title the magic box, but I gave the title the box. Thank you.
very nice. Very good, beta. Next, Panchal, you have completed your story.
Ma'am, I am writing it. It is about to complete it.
All right. Now,
About to be
children, can I
complete.
stop the screen share? Have all of you written the
Yes,
beginning?
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Because I can't see like this the children who are raising their hands. Okay, now Shaurya has read, Anika has read, Panchul will complete. Arhan, you have written your story?
So, ma'am, I'm writing.
Okay, children, take 10 minutes, complete your story, and then we are going to discuss it.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, how was my story?
good, beta, nice. But
And ma'am,
see, beta, it is the same thing that I told you. Your beginning should not have been changed.
okay, ma'am. Ma'am, but I don't know. We have to write the same. So,
Why did you know? I shared screen with you last week.
ma'am. Okay. Can we share one more story today?
No, I will not share any story today. This is all that you have to do.
Ma'am,
Excuse me,
beta.
ma'am.
ma'am, I'm saying that when I will write this, so ma'am, can I draw some things?
Beta, see, drawing is your choice. You will not get any marks for drawing if you do it in exams. If you just want to draw it for fun, that's another thing. But you have to write it correctly. After finishing it, if
Ma'am,
nothing left, then you can draw.
no, ma'am, to express what we call in which I have written my written half of the story. On that, can I also draw to express how they are going
Just
inside
for
that?
beta, it is not required. This is creative writing. It is not creative drawing.
Okay, ma'am.
Drawing is not required here.
Okay, ma'am, what we call behosh hona in English?
What you call?
Behosh hona.
Behosh, to faint. Faint.
To faint.
Yes. F-A-I-N-T.
Excuse
Ma'am, what
me,
is
ma'am.
a behosh in English?
मैम ऋषि को इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं?
Faint. Faint.
What?
बेहोश होना है.
What, ma'am?
Fainted. Rishi. Now what is
That-
Rishi?
that-
Rishi is a priest. Priest, it's called a priest, beta.
Type of a priest. Ma'am, search it on the Google.
Yes.
It
Ma'am,
find. Ma'am, search it on the Google.
I'm seeing what is priest called in Hindi.
ma'am, what can we write like in, uh, मैंने एक कदम बढ़ाया in English.
Wait, priest in Hindi. Pujari, no, priest is Pujari. You want to know Rishi. Rishi. Sage.
Ma'am, is it
Called a
sage?
S-A, yeah, S-A-G-E.
Ma'am, is it sage?
And what you want to know? Who is saying Ek Kadam? What is the line?
What, ma'am?
Ma'am,
What
I'm saying Yashmit. Ma'am,
English?
what? Ma'am, I'm saying Yashmit. एक
what you
कदम
call
बढ़ाने को.
Orbit, be quiet now. Yashmit is speaking something.
Ma'am, I'm asking that एक कदम बढ़ाने को what we will
Put
say
a
in
step
English.
forward. To put a step forward. Now ask Shobha.
What?
Ma'am, I have done. Can I read out?
Sage. You're asking Rishi?
Yes, ma'am.
It is called beta sage. बताया तो sage. S-A-G-E.
Ma'am, can I read out my story I have done?
Okay, start.
The endless box. I was down the street when I saw a small wooden box by the road. Suddenly, a voice say, "Help! Let me out of here!" Was coming from the box. There, when I visited the box, there was a ladder to go downstairs. And when I got downstairs, there was two paths. In first there was right and the other was left. I chose the right direction. Then again I got two paths left and right. Again I went for the right and it just was endless. It never ended. The voice was still coming that get me out of here. I was scared and also goosebumped as I always went for the right and the same room was coming again and again. Then I stopped and for the first time I went for the left and then there was not only two paths but eight paths. I was scared so I fainted when I woke up I was in my house. But after that day I couldn't understand what happened at that day and now I whenever think of that day I get goosebumped every second.
Okay, very nice. But you finally didn't find out what it was, right? Okay, mysterious box. Then you should name your story as mysterious box because the mystery was not solved only.
Ma'am,
Yes,
excuse me, ma'am.
yes, beta.
Ma'am, please tell me the meaning of dimension and the spelling.
Dimension means measurement of something. And you spell it as D-I-M-E-N-S-I-O-N. Dimension. Good, Panchul. Very good. Arhan, now beta, what are you doing? Are you writing your story? Varshita, are you writing your story? Daksh Pratap.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, what is what is the meaning of मेरा parachute खुल नहीं रहा in English?
मेरा parachute खुल ही नहीं रहा. My parachute was not opening.
Ma'am, can I drink water?
Yes, better drink.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have completed, so can I read my story?
Who has completed? Kana?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, open your camera and start reading.
Yes. Yes, ma'am, please wait. Ma'am, can I read now?
Yes, better read, Kana.
I was walking down the street when I saw a small wooden box by the road. Suddenly, I heard a voice say, "Help, let me out of here." To my surprise, the voice was coming from the box. I got scared and looked everywhere, but there was no one around it. I moved slowly towards the box and tried to move it with my leg. I felt that the box was very light and thought there was nothing inside the box. With all my courage, I opened the box and there was a small recorder inside it. Someone played a prank and I laughed loudly.
Okay, very nice. Short and sweet. Short and sweet story. Good.
Ma'am, may I start, Arav? Ma'am, may I start, Arav?
Yes, Arav, read.
Okay, ma'am. I was walking down the street when I saw the small wooden box by the road. Suddenly, I heard a voice say, "Help, let me out of here." To my surprise, I opened the box. Nothing was inside. I think that was a prank. But after that, street light was started blinking, and I got scared. After that, when I woke up, when I think it every second, I get goosebumps.
Arav, you have also not written your story, beta. You're reading it, you
Ma'am,
are
I have
written. Then why are you speaking? It's looking like
ma'am,
on your own. You are thinking and speaking. It is not looking like you're reading out. Have you completed the story?
yes, ma'am,
Okay.
but a little bit was.
Good. Akshada, you have completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, start reading.
Okay, ma'am. The magic box. I was walking down the street when I saw a small wooden box by the road. Suddenly, I heard a voice say, "Let me out of here." Surprise! The voice was coming from.
And what is wrong? Mute yourself. Akshada again. Beta.
Okay, ma'am. I was walking down the street when I saw a small wooden box by the road. Suddenly, I heard a voice say, "Help, let me out of here." To my surprise, the voice was coming from the box. I go near the box. I opened it. I saw a beam light in it. After a few movements, I saw a carpet. It was very, very beautiful. Suddenly, a fairy came from inside it. She said, "Hello, little girl." I was afraid. "Hello, who are you?" "I am a fairy. This is a magic carpet. You can go anywhere by sitting on it." "Thank you, fairy. But but don't tell about this to anyone. Otherwise, the magic will vanish." I take the box and kept it in a big box in my room. Next morning, when everyone was sleeping, I take the magic carpet and went to see Taj Mahal. In the evening, I was talking to my friend. She told that she is going to Mumbai after 1 month. I said to her that I have a magic carpet and I can see the world. She started laughing. I take her to my home and show her, but the magic was vanished from the carpet. So she started laughing.
Amoli, mute yourself. Amoli,
Ocean dolphin.
okay, when you showed it to your friend, she started laughing. Then what happened?
Ma'am, she started laughing because the magic of that carpet was vanished. As the fairy also told me not to tell this to anyone, but I forgot that and I tell to my friend.
Very nice. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
And her story was a big story.
Yes, yours was very big.
And can I speak my story, Moksha Mishra?
Who is asking me this?
I'm Moksha Mishra. I'm Moksha Mishra.
Mokshit Mishra. Yes, beta. Say.
The title of my story is The Sun Poor Man. I was walking down the street when I saw a small wooden box by the road. Suddenly I heard a voice. Help, let me out of here. To my surprise, the voice was coming to the box. Then we saw an unknown creature. He is like a baby of He's like a baby of something, but he's not a baby of human. He's like a baby of alien. Then he thinks, how can I take care of that baby? He's like, I am very poor. He's very kind man, so he adopts that baby. When he gets some money, he buys things for baby, not for him. He eats very less food every day. After 10 years, the baby becomes 10-year-old boy. It is the time of night. The poor man, it is the time of the night. The poor man saw a light in the sky. Then he saw a UFO in the sky. In UFO, there was the parents of the alien boy. They say thank you to poor man for taking care of their baby. He
Mokshit, beta, you are muted. You have muted yourself now.
They say thank you to poor man and give a big house, lots of money, and the food to that man. But poor man asks why you send your baby to the earth. Then the parents say we got an attack on our USA because this baby has lot of power. But the poor man says no, he not has any power. Then the alien says no, he has power. He does not see any power because he is not trained till now.
Mokshit, what a big story, beta. Such a big story, huh? But good. Now what you will do is you will send it on the class group also. Only Mokshit is going to send it because
Okay, ma'am.
why? Anyone can tell why he will only send the story?
Because his voice was not clear there.
Mokshit, your mic-
His voice is not clear and his story is too long.
Yes.
Ma'am,
No one
ma'am, can I speak my story, Yashmit?
Yes, beta, speak. But Mokshit, beta, get your microphone repaired. I think other teachers also face the same problem. Is it?
That
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
is told in English.
Ma'am, can I speak my story? Ma'am, can I speak my story, Yashmit?
Yes.
Ma'am, can
Apart from speaking your story, does anyone have any question right now? No question. Okay. Now, how many are ready with the story? Yatharth is ready, Yashmit is ready, and who else is ready? Only two of you. Okay. First, Yatharth, you will read, and then after him, Yashmit. Start reading.
Okay, ma'am. The box. I was walking down the street when I saw a small wooden box by the road. Suddenly, I heard a voice say, "Help, let me out of here." To my surprise, the voice was coming from the box. When I go when I was going near to the box, and when I opened it, I saw that there was nothing, but I can see a white shadow like a bright light is coming from the box. When I touched it, I reached in a password. I and I was very scared in this word. In that word, I met again with the box. I asked that to the white light that which type of help do you want? The light replied to me that I want to come outside from this box because your word is very beautiful than my word. Then I bring the light in my world, and when I bring the light in my world, I see um a, a
Beta
beautiful.
Yatharth, sorry, you have written all correct, but now here see the tenses. When I brought the light to my world, I saw. You have written it in present. Make it in past tense.
Okay, ma'am. I brought the light and I saw that the there was a light in the box, but in the ground there was a small, little, and a very cute fox.
Fox. It was a fox.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what did the fox do then?
Ma'am, then the fox play with me.
Okay, the fox played with you. All right, fine, good. Okay, Yashmit.
The box. I was walking down the street when I saw a small wooden box by the road. Suddenly, I heard a voice say, "Help, let me out of here." To my surprise, the voice was coming from the box. I got scared. Then, when I put a step forward, the voice came again. Courageously, I opened the box. There was a pen. I take the pen and went at my house. I was drawing a burger with that pen on drawing book. The burger came in real. I didn't believe it. I draw a toy, it came in real. The thing I draw, it came in real. I found that pen as a magical pen. I was telling the tale to my mother, but suddenly my sister broke the pen and I realized that it was a dream.
Very nice. Very well written, Yashmit. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now who will read? Daksh will read.
Ma'am,
Can I read Yuvraj?
excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, can I send my story in the because it is so long?
It is so long. Okay, send. Okay, now Daksh will read. After that, Yuvraj will read. Okay. No, there is no time left. Oh, children, there is not even 1 minute left.
Ma'am, my story is longer than a page.
All of
I will
you
send.
stories on the class group. I'll read it from there. Those who did not get the turn.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, children.
Hi, ma'am.